Hello math students, I'd like to show you how to use the Canvas course that we'll be using. So use whatever browser you prefer. I like Firefox, or you can use Google Chrome or Safari or whichever one you like the best. Go to the Sierra College website, www.sierracollege.edu. Scroll down a little bit and find the Canvas link. There's also a Canvas app that you can use on your phone. Our class is Fall 18 Math D. This is what you'll see. Fall Math D 81590 Fall 2018. So the home page is all the list of assignments that you need to work on, along with a link to the free textbook from OpenStax. So if you click here, it will take you to a link that goes to a free OpenStax textbook. So you can look through the table of contents, you can search it online, you can download it for your Kindle. So you've got lots of options here, and you can just look through by topic and view whatever topic it is that you would like to get some help with. So that's available on the home or the modules link. You'll see that these actually look the same. So either one of those works fine. So when you get to the getting started link, that's going to be this movie that I'm making right now. So you can't see it yet because I haven't finished making it. So you will see all of these assignments, and I have put the numbers on these sections so they flow. So you go 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and so on through each chapter, and then numbers 2.1, 2.2, that's a new chapter, chapter 2. And then you'll see there's chapter 3 and on through chapter 10. So the due dates are on the assignments here. You'll see all of chapter 1 is due September 3rd. So I'm giving you some flexibility of when to work on each section, as long as you get it all done by September 3rd. So I've provided a schedule for you to help you keep on track, and I will show you where that is in just a moment. So these are the modules. This is where you're going to go to see what your assignments are and work through the Newton software. When you click on an assignment, a window is going to open, and it's going to take you to the Newton site through Canvas. So you don't have to log in again on a Newton website. You just get to go directly through Canvas. So you can launch in a new tab, and it will take you directly to the Newton software, to your class, this class, to assignment 1.1, and you'll be able to get started working. You'll find your problems here and be able to see lots of information, and we'll learn about that in class together on Tuesday. So back to Canvas. So this is the Canvas shell, it's called, your Canvas class. You'll have all these buttons showing. The home button, the modules, which as I said, those are the same. And then if I go into student view, you can see what it will look like for you. So you'll see the free textbook from OpenStax. Then when you go to modules, you'll see all of your assignments once I have them published. So they're not published yet, but they will be. Then the next button I have activated for you is this tutor.com 24/7 online tutoring. If I could change the name of the button, I would put the word free in there. It's free. So I don't have any minutes remaining, but when you go here, you'll see that you have 8 hours of free online tutoring 24/7 at 2 a.m. If you're stuck and have a question, you can go to this 24/7 online tutoring. So I've heard really good things from students about it. It's a real person in real time answering your questions. They have the ability to write on a whiteboard and send you photos of their work, and you can send them photos of your work and ask your questions. And I'm hearing lots of good things from students about it. Then you'll be able to see your grades by clicking on the grades button, and your grades will be coming through from Newton. So you work in the Newton software, but it will feel like you're just in Canvas, and all of your grades from Newton will come into the software, and you'll be able to see all of your scores. So the grades are weighted as 25% of your grade is from the Newton homework that you work on. 35% is the Newton quizzes. After each section of math homework, you'll have a brief quiz, and they're brief, 6 to 8 questions. Then there's a review center that's available to you, but it doesn't count towards your grade. 10% of your grade will be the 10 in-class quizzes, so you don't want to miss those. The final exam will be 25% of your grade, and 5% of your grade will be your notebook. So I suggest a 3-ring notebook so you can continue adding paper, because lots of students find that it takes a lot of paper to take good notes in a math class. If you start with a spiral notebook, you might find that you need another spiral notebook, and it just seems harder to carry around 2 separate notebooks, but I'll leave that up to you. The next button you'll see is the People button. And here you'll see all of your classmates. Look at this. Uriel's here, and Corey's here, and Taylor, and Kyle. You can contact anybody in your class by just clicking on their name. And a little window opens, and you can send them a message. So you can send messages through Canvas without needing somebody's email or phone number. So all of your classmates are here. And you can see that Joshua doesn't have a picture yet. And let's go back to people and see that, oh gosh, a lot of you don't have pictures yet. It'd be really great if you put a little avatar or a picture. You can put a hamburger or a dinosaur or your favorite comic character. It's up to you. It will help us get to know you better. Whatever you put, if it's not your face, tells us a little bit about you. If it is your face, it helps us get to know your name. So then we have the files area, and think of this as a file cabinet where I can put things in the drawers and you can take them out and look at them. So you'll see that there's a schedule here, and I've made a schedule for what sections you should be working on each week in order to stay on track. So this is my suggestion for day 1, that you finish section 1.1 and 1.2, and then day 2, 1.3, 4, and 5, and then 1.6, 1.7, 1.82221, and then you'll see that the chapter 1 quiz is on Tuesday, September 4th. So the quizzes are about weekly. As we get towards the end and the material gets a little harder for some people, then you'll see that they're spread out a little bit more to give you a little bit more time to absorb those topics that might be more challenging. So that's the schedule. Then the syllabus is here, which I've sent to you via email. If you haven't received it, please email me at dhill@sierracollege.edu. And then we have a Newton syllabus integration document that we'll be going through together in the first day of class on Tuesday. And then the starfish button you don't need to worry about, but just know that I may send starfish alerts, and that is if I'm concerned about you. I'll first try to contact you directly, but if I'm not able to contact you, then I might ask a counselor for some help in contacting you and offering you resources. In Office 365, this is pretty cool. Every Sierra College student is entitled to 5 copies of Office 365 that you can put on 5 different devices. So this is the entire Office suite of Word, Excel, Access, all the different Office products. So you can get 5 copies free because you're a Sierra College student. So I'm looking forward to meeting you on Tuesday, and we'll go through all this together then, but I thought you might want to take a look at the class before Tuesday. I'm looking forward to meeting you soon. Bye-bye.